Okay. This is a gun that Nicole and I made.
Nicole.
Sorry. And this is how it works. So it actually shoots things.
Yeah. Okay.
Shoot it though. Don't shoot it.
Okay, so you put these skewers in and you clip this. Okay. Oops.
Back at him.
Let's just point it away.
Okay, this is not really working.
Okay,
It worked before.
Yeah. Okay.
This way.
This is not.
How are we gonna do this? Where are we gonna shoot?
Where are we gonna shoot?
Just shoot.
It
And then it's actually.
yep.
Okay, you should. It worked before, but yeah, it worked before. It worked before.
Okay, let me try. Let me try.
No, I think you need to put this without the.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wait,
I think I
wait.
know.
Yeah, you just put it in there.
No, no. Yeah. Right.
Ooh!
Did you see that?
Did you see that?
Yeah, one of them fired, the other one fired too. So
Did you
this
see that?
this is the Gun 2000.
And also, the pencils are sharpened so.
Okay, and then at the back there is
Some
a case
extra.
full of skewers. So just in case you need to have more.
Yeah.
But you already killed the guy, so you don't really need to have more. And this is not for killing; it's for defending. Like if you kill someone and you're trying to defend yourself, then it's fine.
So yeah,
Do you wanna watch
this
it
is
again?
our gun. Thank you for watching.